Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to start a new chapter called two-dimensional geometry. Point has 0 dimension. A line, one direction it goes, it has 1 dimension. When I have X and Y plane, wherein we draw lines, X, Y, two directions we call two-dimensional geometry. How to draw a line? How to form an equation of a line? Geometry represents drawing, whereas two-dimensional geometry, we not only draw a line but also try to frame an equation for the line. What is the difference between these two lines? If I connect with X and Y axis, this angle is acute. This angle is also acute but little elevated. So where do you come across these things? Staircase at your home, mountain slopes. So when it is steeper, you cannot climb on that. When it is flattened, you can climb. You have heard Everest, many people try to do. But K2, many cannot climb over. So peaks are there where the slope is okay. You can try and climb over. But when it is peak, you cannot climb. Well, we start with the idea of slope, which is very important in day-to-day life situations. Wherever there is inclination, and you can never find a place without any inclination, like this or like this or like this. Slope we denote as M. It is tan of the angle made with x-axis, or if you know 2 points, it is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. I can also term it as minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y, and all this you had studied in standard 10. To find equation of line, if you know 1 point x1 y1 and slope m, you call the equation y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. When you know slope m and y-intercept C. See, this is the line which is making an angle theta, or if you know the slope M and y-intercept C, I can say y equals mx plus c. If you have a line like this, it has x-intercept A and y-intercept B. I write the equation x by A plus y by B equal to 1. Having this 2-point formula for slope, I can write 2-point formula for line also. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equals x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. All this we just recall from standard 10 portions. 2 things that we learned newly this year. A line that cuts x and y axis like this. This is the origin. From the origin, we drop a perpendicular, and the length of the perpendicular is P, and the perpendicular makes an angle alpha. How to write the equation? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to P. P is the length of perpendicular from origin to the line, and the perpendicular makes an angle alpha with x-axis. Suppose I have an equation like this: x minus x1 by cos theta equals y minus y1 by sin theta equals r. We represent x as r cos theta plus x1, x1 plus r cos theta, and we write y as r sin theta plus y1. So this we call parametric form where x and y are represented in terms of theta. So we will do problems based on every formula that we learn here. Exercise 6.2, question number 1. Find the equation of the lines through 1, 1 with y-intercept minus 4. Through 1, 1 with y-intercept minus 4. Whenever we are given y-intercept, we must remember the formula y equals mx plus c, where c equals minus 4. As we substitute y equals mx minus 4. How to find out m? Use the condition the line passes through 1, 1. When it is passing through 1, 1, we substitute x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. As I substitute, we get m equals 1 plus 4, that is 5. Putting it back here. So this is equation number 1, m value number 2. So 1, 2 implies y equals 5x minus 4, or I can say 5x minus y minus 4 equals to 0. Second subdivision. Through 1, 1 and slope is 3. Whenever we are given a point, call the point as x1, y1, that is 1, 1. Slope you call as m, that is 3. When I know point and slope, what is the equation? Y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. y1 is 1, m is 3, x1 is 1. We get 3x minus 3. Bringing it all to the same side, 3x minus 3 minus y plus 1, 0. 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0 is the required equation of the line. Third subdivision. And passing through minus 2, 3. Already 1, 1 is given. Now minus 2, 3. Consider the first point as x1, y1 and second point as minus 2, 3. We know 2-point formula for the equation of line. Y minus y1 is 1. y2 minus y1, 3 minus 1 equals x minus 1 by minus 2 minus 1. As we cross multiply, minus 3y minus into minus plus 3. 2 into x, 2 into minus 1. Bringing it to the same side, 2x minus 2 plus 3y minus 3 equals to 0, or 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0 is the required equation of line. The fourth subdivision. Passing through 1, 1 and the perpendicular from the origin makes an angle 60 degrees with the x-axis. Whenever perpendicular from the origin making an angle is given, remember the equation of line in this pattern. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals p. Here alpha equals 60 degrees. X into cos 60 plus y into sin 60 equal to p. X into cos 60 1 by 2 plus y into sin 60 root 3 by 2 equals p. Cross multiplying x plus root 3y equals to p. How to find p? They have given passing through 1, 1. So this particular equation passes through 1, 1. Wherever x is coming 1, wherever y is coming also 1, that is 2p. Or p equals 1 plus root 3 by 2. Put it back in first equation. X into 1 by 2 plus y into root 3 by 2 equals 1 plus root 3 by 2. Cancelling 2 throughout. We are left with x plus root 3y equals 1 plus root 3, and that is the required equation of the line. Question number 2. If P, R, C is midpoint of a line segment between the axis x-axis and y-axis, this is the line segment. When I say it is between the axis, point on x-axis call as a, 0. Point on y-axis call as 0, b. We need to find the equation of the line. So let a equals a, 0, b equals 0, b. Question is about midpoint. So what is mid of AB? It is x1 plus x2 by 2 plus y1 plus y2 by 2. This is mid of AB, but they have given mid of AB is P, that is R, C. So P equals R, C is mid of AB. Substitute this R, C here. So I get R, C is A by 2, B by 2. Comparing R equals A by 2, C equals B by 2. Cross multiplying, A is 2R and B is 2C. Whenever I know A and B on x-axis, this I call x-intercept, that is A. This I call y-intercept, that is B. So x-intercept A is 2R. Y-intercept B is 2C. What is equation of the line? In intercept form, it is x by a plus y by b equals to 1. In this question, x by 2r plus y by 2c equals to 1. As 2 is common, I can cross multiply. It is x by r plus y by c equals to 2, and that is the result to be shown in the question. Question number 3. Find the equation of the line through 1, 5 and also divides the coordinate axis in the ratio 3:10. When I know the coordinate axis ratio, remember the equation in intercept form. If I treat this is A and this is B, they have given the coordinate axis, the intercepts are in the ratio 3:10. So A is to B is 3:10. Let us consider A equals some constant multiple 3k. B equals 10k. Whenever they give you 3:10, I can also consider equi-multiples of this. So A is 3k and B is 10k. Putting it back in equation number 1, it is x by 3k plus y by 10k equals 1. Given it is passing through 1, 5. What do you mean? Wherever x comes 1 and wherever y comes 5. As I substitute and take LCM, it is 30k. 10 plus 15 by 30k equals 1, or 25 by 30k equals 1. Cross multiplying, we get 30k equals to 25, or k is 25 by 30, that is 5 by 6. Putting k value back in second equation, x by 3 into 5 by 6 plus y by 10 into 5 by 6 equals 1. As we simplify, we get 5 by 2, 25 by 3 reciprocating. Taking LCM, we arrive at the equation 10x plus 3y equals 25. Question number 4. If P is the length of perpendicular from origin to the line whose intercepts on the axis are A and B, show that 1 by P square equals 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Given the intercepts are A and B, I can say OA equals A and OB equals B. P is the length of perpendicular from origin. This is origin. As we draw the length of perpendicular, this length we call P. Call this point as C. So OC equals P given. This angle we know it makes alpha. Supposing I take, if this is alpha, this is also alpha. From this triangle OAC, what all I know? This is perpendicular. This is alpha. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. The side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. So I can write adjacent by hypotenuse, that is cos alpha equals OC by OA, or I can say P by A. Similarly, take the other triangle. What is the other triangle? OBC. Now this is also right angle triangle. So from triangle OBC, what all I know? This is right angle opposite. So this is hypotenuse. For the angle alpha, this is opposite side. So I know opposite and hypotenuse. So what I can write? Sine alpha. What is opposite side? It is OC by what is hypotenuse? It is OB, or I will say it is P by B. We know whenever I have cos alpha and sine alpha, cos square alpha plus sine square alpha equals to 1. As I substitute, it is P square by A square plus P square by B square equals 1. To arrive at this result, divide by P square. I get 1 by A square plus 1 by B square equals 1 by P square, and hence the problem. So in this problem, we are not asked equation of a line, rather some result using A, B, P. A is x-intercept, B is y-intercept, and P, the length of perpendicular. The length of perpendicular says I can create this angle as alpha. Once I know two right angle triangles, from the two, I can immediately write what is cos alpha and sine alpha. Using the identity, I can arrive at the required result. Question number 8. Find the equation of the line if the perpendicular drawn from the origin makes an angle of 30 degrees with x-axis and its length is 12. Given a straight line perpendicular from the origin makes an angle 30. So this angle we call 30 degrees and the perpendicular length is 12. In this formula, we know x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to P. Alpha is the angle made by the perpendicular, that is 30 degrees. P, the length of the perpendicular, that is 12. As we substitute x cos 30 degrees plus y sin 30 degrees equals to 12. X cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus y sin 30 1 by 2, that is 12. Cross multiplying by 2, root 3x plus y equals 24 is the required equation of the line. So this we call normal form of a line. Given the length of perpendicular and angle made by the perpendicular with x-axis, I can use x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to p. Question number 9. Find the equation of the straight lines passing through 8, 3 and having intercepts whose sum is 1. We know the equation of a line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b equals to 1. Given the sum of the intercepts is 1. The intercepts are a and b. Sum tells me add it. A plus b is 1 gives b equals 1 minus a. Putting it back in the equation, x by a plus y by 1 minus a equals to 1. How to find a value? Look out for a clue in the question. Passing through the point 8, 3. Wherever x comes 8 and wherever y comes 3. As I take LCM and simplify, it is a into 1 minus a in the denominator, cross multiplying. We get 8 minus 8a plus 3a divided by a minus a square equals to 1. Cross multiplying, 8 minus 8a plus 3a equals a minus a square. Bringing all the terms to the same side, it is 8 minus 5a minus a plus a square 0 or a square minus 6a plus 8 0. As we factorize, we get 4 2's are. Putting the symbols accordingly, we get a minus 4 into a minus 2 is 0, a equal to 4, 2. When a is 4, x by 4 plus y by 1 minus 4, that is 1. Cross multiplying, minus 3x plus 4y by minus 12 is 1 or minus 3x plus 4y is minus 12. Changing the sign throughout, 3x minus 4y equals 12. As we complete the equation using a value 4, let us find out the equation using a value 2. That is x by 2 plus y by 1 minus 2, which is 1. X by 2 plus y by minus 1 is 1. Cross multiplying, minus x plus 2y by minus 2 is 1 or minus x plus 2y is minus 2. Changing the symbol throughout, x minus 2y equals to 2 and that is the answer. Question number 10. Show that the points 1, 3, 2, 1, half, 4 are collinear by using concept of slope, using a straight line and any other method. Concept of slope tells me if 3 points are collinear, I find the slope. It must be equal. So slope of AB and slope of BC are equal. B is common. So the slope equal cannot represent this pattern. B is common, therefore A, B, C are collinear. So we are going to find out the slope of AB and slope of BC. What is slope formula? y2 minus y1, 1 minus 3 by x2 minus x1, 2 minus 1. That is minus 2 by 1. So I get minus 2. Slope of BC, y2 minus y1, 4 minus 1 by x2 minus x1, half minus 2. That is 3 by 1 minus 4 by 2. Or I get 3 into 2 by minus 3, which is minus 2. Slope of AB and slope of BC are equal, but B is common. Therefore, A, B, C are collinear. The same problem I can also show using a straight line equation. Given 3 points, Find the line equation joining any two. So I am finding AB equation using y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equals x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. As we get the equation y equals minus 2x plus 5, check the third point C satisfies this. Substitute wherever x comes 1 by 2, wherever y comes 4. 4 equals minus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 5. 2 and 2 cancels. 5 minus 1 is 4. So this is true. C satisfies equation 1. Tells me C lies on AB and hence A, B, C are collinear. Any other method I can try out. If the 3 points are collinear, I cannot draw a triangle. In that case, triangle area should become 0. Let us find out the triangle area. To find the area of triangle, we know the formula half x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x1 y1 equals 0. Substituting the point 1, 3, 2, 1, half 4, 1, 3. How to find out the area? Multiply 1 into 1, 2 into 4, half into 3. Minus the other way. 3 into 2, 1 into half, 4 into 1. As we simplify, we arrive at 0. So we will say A, B, C are collinear. So in this problem, we have done the 3 different methods to show 3 points are collinear. Slope tells me slope of 2 points and the slope of the other 2 points must be equal, or find a line connecting 2 points, show the third one satisfies, or else show that the area of a triangle is 0. Question number 11. A straight line is passing through the point A, that is 1, 2, with slope 5 by 12. On the line, we need to find a point which is 13 units away. When I know one point and slope, what is the equation of line? Y minus y1, that is 2. M is 5 by 12 into x minus x1 is 1. As we simplify in this pattern, it is in parametric form, call it as R. Now, compare these two. X minus 1 by 12 is R, tells me x is equal to 12R plus 1. Similarly, y minus 2 by 5 is R, tells me y equals 5R plus 2. So, any point on the line is 12R plus 1, 5R plus 2. My question is 13 units away. What is A? A is 1, 2. Consider this point as B. So what is B? 12R plus 1, 5R plus 2. Given the distance between them is 13. How to find the distance? Root of 12R plus 1 minus 1 the whole square plus 5R plus 2 minus 2 the whole square, that is 13. 1 and 1 cancels, I get 144R square. 2 and 2 cancels, I get 25R square. The whole square root is 13. Or 169R square, the square root is 13, tells me 13R is 13. Whenever I find square root, remember to put plus or minus. Therefore, R equals plus or minus 1. Putting R is equal to 1, we get B equals 12 into 1 plus 1, 5 into 1 plus 2. That is 12 plus 1, 13, 5 plus 2, 7. Putting R equal to minus 1, B is 12 into minus 1 plus 1, 5 into minus 1 plus 2. That is minus 12 plus 1 minus 11 minus 5 plus 2 minus 3. Therefore, the required points on the line which are 13 units away from A are 13, 7 and minus 11, minus 3.